Alright, so we have a Kidstar DJ mixer by Vtech. And I think it's pretty cool.
I got it for Christmas.
It's got songs built in, over 2,000 sound combinations, a DJ style turntable, disco light, all kinds of stuff. It's got like a Simon Says memory pad.
It's in an academy to learn how to DJ.
Yeah. And it's pretty cool. It's also Bluetooth for some reason. I guess you can go out to speakers or something like that. What do we got here? Be a DJ master.
Mixer.
And mix your own music. Very cool. I like it. Takes 4 AA batteries. I think you can get a power supply that goes with it. And another cord or something that goes out to speakers. All right, man. Fire it up, dude.
Let's get this party started!
And the ball here can rotate so it's not in your face. I think he likes it. Whoa, that's pretty cool. That's very bright. And it's got little touch pads here that you can change everything.
Oh, and this is what the academy is.
Follow the beat. Remember the pattern, then repeat it. Remember the pattern. Now repeat it. Keep trying.
It's got games. It's got all kinds of stuff. There's different settings. He's on the academy to learn how to use
Your turn.
The touchpad over there. Pretty cool. It's very, very small. I mean, it would fit in his lap pretty good. Nice.
No.
Dad might even have to try that. Apparently you can make your own recordings and all kinds of stuff. I like the sound effects. Very cool. So all those sounds that you hear are him making sounds.
And you can turn the volume down right here.
Yeah, it's got a master volume control and probably a fader.
Yeah, right here.
Pretty neat. Yeah, we can't really see because it's dark. So anyway, yeah, it's pretty cool. Check it out. It's called the Vtech Kidstar DJ Mixer Set. I'll put a link in the description if I can find one. All right, what do you say, man?
On to the next.
On to the next.